Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Have you ever wondered how something as heavy as an airplane manages to soar through the sky? It seems like magic, but it's actually all about science. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind how planes stay in the air. The 4 forces of flight: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. These 4 forces act on an airplane when it's in flight. Lift helps the plane rise, weight pulls it back down, thrust moves it forward, and drag slows it down. Let's explore how these forces work together to make flying possible. Lift, the secret to staying in the air. The wings of an airplane are specially designed to create lift. When air moves over and under the wing, the curved top makes the air move faster, and the flat bottom slows it down. This difference in speed creates a push upward, lifting the plane off the ground, kind of like how you feel a force when you stick your hand out of a moving car. Thrust and weight, the power behind it all. Thrust is the power the engines give to the plane, pushing it forward. The engines are like the plane's muscles, helping it move through the air. On the other hand, weight is always pulling the plane down due to gravity. The balance between thrust and weight helps the plane move forward and stay in the sky. Drag, the opposite of thrust. Drag is the force that tries to slow the plane down. Imagine trying to walk against a strong wind, that's drag. Planes are designed in a streamlined shape to cut through the air smoothly, reducing drag and allowing the engines to push it forward. How the forces work together. For a plane to fly, these 4 forces need to be in balance. The engines provide thrust to move the plane forward, the wings create lift to push it up, while drag and weight try to pull it down. When lift is stronger than weight, the plane rises. When thrust is greater than drag, the plane moves forward. It's a perfect dance of forces that makes flying possible. So, the next time you see a plane in the sky, you'll know that it's not magic keeping it up, it's the power of science. Lift, thrust, drag, and weight work together to defy gravity and make flight possible. Isn't it amazing that something as huge as an airplane can stay in the air with just a little help from physics? If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.